I'm really excited to eat biscuits.
We're in line here. Line is wrapping around the building. We gotta wait a little bit.
I told your mom that you're not wearing the proper clothing for this type of weather.
I got a jacket. Yeah, I might be in shorts, but I got a jacket.
55 degrees.
You know what, last time we were here, you ran from yellow jackets. Are you gonna do that again?
I don't think there's a yellow jacket out here right now because it's too cold.
She ran to the parking lot and dropped her grits.
Yes, true story.
So I'm hungry. It's taken 3:30 in the morning and 2 connecting flights to get here. We're making progress. We've been in line for maybe 20 minutes or so. It's a lot warmer in here. So we're getting there. We're about halfway there. So keep you posted. We just sat down at the table here. You get your table number and they bring it to you. We waited in line for, about 30 minutes or so? Maybe? Not bad. All right, guys, our food just came. Again, this is the biscuits and gravy with veggie sausage. It looks amazing, it smells amazing. I also got scrambled eggs and grits with mine, so I'm gonna take a bite and see how it is. That is a good biscuit. A little bit of a crunch on the outside, nice and soft and doughy on the inside. The gravy has got just a little bit of a kick to it. Very, very tasty, very flavorful. The veggie sausage is good. It almost tastes like maybe Beyond sausage. That is a winner. Get over here. Scrambled eggs, just get basic scrambled eggs, nothing too special about them. And the grits are pimento cheese grits. So I'm gonna mix those up a little bit. Those are really good. You've got a really bold flavor with the pimento cheese and the grits. Nice and creamy, salty. Man.
I've been dying to get back here. I'm so excited to be here in Asheville. We flew into Asheville so we could eat here at Biscuit Head and then head up to Gatlinburg. So here we are. I mean, check out this biscuit. It is fluffy on the inside. It has got that perfect golden brown on the outside and it's a little crispy. Just an egg and cheese biscuit. I'm so excited. Here we go. That is so good. Hold on a second.
It's all over you. No, I'm just kidding. You're good.
The eggs are cooked perfect. You got your cheddar cheese in there. It is just the perfect classic biscuit. But you've got a cat head biscuit on it.
They're big.
I know, they're huge. They're so good. There's nothing like a good biscuit done right. The South really knows about grits, and these are fantastic. They're pimento cheese grits, so they have a little kick, but they're really good. I think these are becoming a thing here in the South. We tried this somewhere else not too long ago at the beginning of the year for the first time. They are biscuit donuts, and I love donuts, so of course, we've had them before. I had to try the biscuit donuts. So here we go.
Donuts! Nice.
All right, this baby's going in my mouth. That's good. So it's really nice and warm. You can tell they are just fried. It's got a perfect fry on it, but it's got that biscuit texture on the inside. So a little bit salty, but then you got that powdered sugar and this lemon curd sauce. They're just so good.
Wow. They're so different with biscuit dough. It's like a hush puppy, like breakfast thing. I'm kind of speechless, can you tell? It's so good. My God, those are good. I'm gonna have another in a second.
No, hubby, you cannot have these. They are mine.
Make sure you don't breathe out while you're biting those, or else powdered sugar goes everywhere.
These little jams, these homemade jams that they make here that you can actually buy if you want to. are amazing. So I got a berry, like a mixed berry and apple pie.
Cat scratch fever. Do you think the cats in the back, when they're making biscuits, they're making cat head biscuits?
Oh, they're probably doing their little biscuits.
little-
If you've ever had a cat, they do a little biscuit.
Making biscuits.
Yeah.
Anyways, okay, sorry. Sidetracked.
Those biscuits are delicious. I mean, they are truly cat head biscuits. They are huge, but they're so good. And those,
Biscuit donuts were amazing.
so good.
They were like a cross between a hush puppy and a donut, but sweet, salty, amazing. Try them. You won't be disappointed.
But just make sure you put some of that jam on there with the lemon curd.
Yes.
Thumbs up on
Very
that.
good. Thank you for hanging out with us for breakfast. If you liked our video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time,
We're out of here. Yes,
biscuits
Biscuit Head.
everywhere. The biscuits are about the size of a cat's head.
They're
So-
huge.
So funny with a cat over your shoulder like that. It's like, it's like scratching your head, like, it's like right there. The mountains are calling, I can hear them. You know what they're saying? Barbecue. They're saying barbecue.
Oh no.
Smoky Mountain barbecue. Barbecue everywhere.